this one before I wrote Lady on My Rainbow. I was about 16 or 17 years old. How the words ever came to me, I will never know. As a matter of fact, most of the songs that I do write, the words, I'm just a vessel, it just passes right through me. Excuse me, bro. It's my best song. Honest. Sorry, guys. See, now you guys know if you walk out, okay? This song is called You Are the Best of My Life.
I might not be the man I am today, baby. You are the best of my. Put your hands up here. Sun in my morning, sun in my night. You are the best of my life. I'll spend the rest of my life loving you. You guys are awesome. If I found that somewhere just to get me through the night, then I know I want to say, this love that feels so right. This is for Dave Lancaster. If you hadn't come and loved me right away, I might still be standing in David Lancaster. Baby, you are the best of my life. Sun in my morning, sun in my night. You are the best of my life. I spend the rest of my life loving you. Okay, you sing it first this time. Sing! You are the best of my life. The sun in my morning, the song in my nights. You are the best. You are the best of my life. I'll spend the rest of my life loving you. All together, you are everybody. You